Hey friends, Ryan Dohrn here, your sales and marketing coach, and guess what? I've got some bad news for you. I do. Those emails that you've sent, those proposals that you've sent, some research from a company called Heiler-Hillman, they looked at 1,200 pages, and guess what they found out? Less than 16% of people actually read what you send them. 16%. Now, let me ask you this. Does that surprise you? Is that high? Is that low? What's your thought on that? Less than 16% of people read word by word what you send. 79% of people, of the test users, they scanned almost everything you sent. That's why I think the rule of 3 and 3 is still crazy kind of applicable today. The rule of 3 and 3 is my email strategy, and that is 3 words in the subject line, 3 sentences max in the email, and then I reach out to people every 3 business days. It's the rule of 3 and 3. Very straightforward. If we know that only 16% of people are reading what we're presenting to them, 79% are scanning everything that we have, that's why the rule of 3 and 3 is so important. Hey, if you're writing War and Peace or Moby Dick and that's what you're sending through to people, you're getting deleted, and you can avoid it if you just adjust your strategy. I love the rule of 3 and 3. I'd love for you to put it in play, and I'd love for you to reach out to good old Uncle Ryan here and say, hey, Ryan, that really works, because I hear from people, young, old, rookie, veterans, hey, I wish I would have put that rule of 3 and 3 in place years ago. Never forget, friends, if sales was easy, everybody be doing it, and they're not. I mean, we literally are the chosen few that are out there on the street dialing for dollars every day. Friends, sales is amazing. We've found careers that'll feed our families for a lifetime. You might just need to adjust your game to get the most out of it. I'm Ryan Dohrn. If I can be of help to you, friends, reach out to me over at ryandohrn.com. I'm on the road, vaccinated, back in teaching classes, live, and speaking at seminars. Glad to be here with you. If I can be of help, reach out, ryandohrn.com.